Hazrat Anas bin Malik radiyallahu anhu says, when Allah Jalla Jalaluhu bestowed his apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam the property of Hawazin as fay, he sallallahu alaihi wasallam apportioned some persons even up to 100 camels each. Thereupon some people amongst the Ansar said, may Allah Jalla Jalaluhu pardon his apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, as he sallallahu alaihi wasallam has blazed the Quraysh with the property, but ignored us, whereas the blood of the infidels is still dripping from our swords. Hazrat Anas radiyallahu anhu says, Allah's apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam was notified of their statement, so he sent for the Ansar. They gathered in a leather tent and nobody else was called. When they had assembled, the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam got up and said, what an unexpected thing has reached me from you. The intellectuals amongst the Ansar submitted, O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, the people of riper years amongst us have not passed these remarks, but some people of tender age amongst us have said, may Allah Jalla Jalaluhu pardon his Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, as he has blazed the Quraysh with property, but ignored us, whereas the blood of the infidels is still dribbling from our swords. Thereupon the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, undoubtedly I have granted the property to those people whose pre-Islamic period of ignorance is extremely near, in order to strengthen their hearts. Are not you pleased with it, that the other people should go with fortune while you should take Allah's Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam to your houses? By Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, the thing you are returning with is better than what they are returning with. They submitted, we are pleased with it, O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam. The Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam then said to them, you will face much injustice after me, but be patient till you meet Allah Jalla Jalaluhu and his Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, for I will be at Kausar pond. Hazrat Anas radiyallahu anhu says, but the Ansar could not show patience after him sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Sahih Bukhari Hadith number 4331.